All right, y'all, so as you can see, I gave you a little preview right there, but guess what we just picked up? That's right, an 87 Mark III Supra. All right, so as you can tell, it's definitely beat up, but it has some good potential. So it's missing the Super badge, and as you can tell, there is some damage on the passenger side. There's, you know, the paint's definitely gonna need some work, stuff like that. The engine does not run. So basically, this was a project that his son was working on, and he's not around to be able to finish it. So he you know, held on to the car for many years, and now he's looking to get rid of it. And I was lucky when able to find it. I actually had a friend contact me who knew him, and he was just looking to get rid of the car. We showed up again. Like I said, it's not. I was hoping it was in a much better condition because I do want something 100% stock, like very clean, like it was in 1987. Like I said, the paint on this thing is definitely beat. Passenger side has some outside fender damage, but the base of it is clean. There's not much rust underneath. There's maybe some surface rust on the frame rails, but it's been in a garage for about 15 years, he said, and it hasn't run in, like, let's say 10. So, you know, we're gonna get back to the other house so we can throw it in the garage, and then we can start working on it and see what we can do. As you can tell, the tires, it's gonna need new tires, all this stuff. So it's definitely gonna need some work, but hopefully we can get this thing running back to, you know, close to 100% stock, and then we could have it as a daily driver. And then we'll start, you know, restoring it slowly. All right, so here we are. We are at the house, and now we're gonna unload it. I can't get into the driveway because it's pretty short, but we got a nice open garage. Basically, this is my grandparents' house. They're moved out right now, so the house is empty, so I can use the garage and leave it in there. So I got a set of actual, excuse me, I got a set of actual 5-lug wheels that we're gonna take these right off, put the wheels that have air in them on, and then hopefully we can roll it off and roll it back into the garage. And then we can get some better shots of the car for sure inside the garage. But look at this thing. So I didn't notice when I bought the car, but it has some damage on the outside. As you can tell, this looks like it's just exterior damage right here. So that's not too bad. It has some small parts of surface rust, but again, the car's been garaged for, he said, like 15 years. So that's not bad. The paint needs to be redone. I want to definitely, you know, spray it down, clean it up so it looks decent. I didn't notice, I don't know if you could tell on the camera, but these are 2 different colors. So this has obviously been replaced, this top fender here. So I found the piece for in here. The top fender here, you know, it's a different color, and it's been dinged in pretty bad. So we're gonna have to try. It's just the outside metal fender, so we'll try to straighten that out. But other than that, it really doesn't have much other body damage. The whole driver's side is nice, right, Chase?
Yes, sir. What up? What's up? What's up? How's it going?
Chase is here helping me unload this. So if you look on the driver's side, there's really no damage on the driver's side. Maybe some like rusty paint down there. And then here's the engine. So it's not a 1JZ like everybody hopes they are. And it's not right-hand drive, but it is manual. So that makes me really happy because it is manual. And he said basically that it was running, and then it got taken apart in the garage, and it hasn't moved since. So hopefully it's not too much to get it started. Again, he gave me a box of parts, a lot of stuff we found in the garage. I did not find, I'm gonna have to outsource one of these. If anybody knows where to get a Supra cymbal, please let me know. Or if somebody remakes them. I think I saw something where like people are remaking them. So I wanna get a cymbal for this like ASAP. But here she is. So let's get some tires on and let's get this thing off the fucking trailer. Yeah, we probably should throw something under the wheel though. It's?
Let's see.
Yeah.
We're good.
Yeah, she fits.
We're good.
Yeah. fly. All right, on to the next one.
Good.
More?
No, you're good.
Sick. We could go to that off-road one that's in New Hampshire. We'll just drop it again.
Right? That's true.
All right, so we got the wheels on the Supra. It looks sweet. So I like those rims actually a little better than the stock ones. They look really good, but those have air in it and they're holding. So now hopefully we could try to get it off the trailer. It should be able to roll, and we could try to roll it into the garage. So let's take a look. All right, so new plan. Yeah, this thing is not easy to fucking push. I think I should have put more air. We should have stopped at the gas station.
Yeah.
Should have put more air in these tires before I put them on. They're not flat, but they're close enough. So, and I have the compressor. And I didn't even bring the tool. I could have filled them up. Dang it. All right, well, we're gonna try to get it back onto the trailer the front way, and then I can back the trailer into the driveway, and then we'll get it, you know, wenched off into the garage. Fuck it, we'll do it live. All right, so not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. We actually got that like basically first shot.
I'm telling you.
Yeah. See, I knew you were saying that we were nervous it was gonna hit, but actually I could see it on the back camera. I knew it was like just close, but
So close.
we're good. All right, so now this thing should roll off right into the garage. There we go. All right. Oh, this is what I want. Now is it gonna stay if I get it off?
Yeah, drop it. Hurry up, because it shit might teeter. Golden goose. Hold it. Hold on.
See you ripped on? Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, it is.
Now we're ready.
Now we're good.
This eight brake is decent.
Do it again. Check this out. Check this out. Oh.
The
Wow.
light's actually actually on?
Lights are on. Blinker. Wow.
Nothing, no blinkers?
No blinkers. She does have some life. Oh.
She's in there.
Woo!
What do you guys think?
Check it out.
It's already got an aftermarket steering wheel. I'm gonna have to replace that shit. I think all this mad parts back there, carpets, mad stuff. So I really hope I can find that emblem, because that would make my life. Or if I can order another one of those emblems, that would be sick. That'd be sick. All right, so sick. Oh, there's a fly.
Fly.
Flip up head gang. Alright, sweet. Oh yeah, I don't know if it doesn't have an exhaust or something, but that's part of the exhaust. And there's the hood. So we have parts. There's parts to it. So now we have to get this thing started. So I guess we'll do some research. Alright, well I got the fender off of it. The door opens freely now. And as you saw, we were trying to crank it. There's really there's nothing turning over. So I don't know if that's because the clutch is getting no response, because basically there's like no clutch fluid in there. I already checked. So we'll have to, we'll come back. I'll bring some actual tools. And, I have like a couple weeks before they have to sell this house, and I have to get this thing running and, somewhere else. So we'll see. But I appreciated them for letting me leave it here, and I'm glad we got it here safely. Shout out to my brother-in-law Chase, my boy. Got it here. Good ideas, trying to get it on off the trailer. As you saw, we had to wind up backing the trailer up. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. But she's sitting pretty, boys, ladies and gents. I like I said, the silver tires actually fly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the stock tires that came with it, and I'm gonna go get some like cheap used tires and just throw them on there, so I can actually put the stock tires back on here. And then, like I said, let me show you underneath the car. There's not much. There's like no rust on the frame at all. There's like a little bit of rust on that frame rail on this side, but the rest of it looks sick. It's like clean. What are these spider webs? Honestly, this thing's the bath. So we'll get it cleaned up. Again, Chase was already starting to take some of the stuff out of the back. Got the spoiler, which is sick. But I'm gonna try to take this side and just bang it out, fix it so it's not as dinged in. And we can get it back on there. And then we'll do some research. I'll probably get a new battery for it, and see if we can get this thing cranking over. Wish me luck. But thanks, guys. Stay tuned to the Highwire Garage for more stuff. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.